River Lily here. We are going to do an unboxing of December's Boxy Charm Boxy Luxe. Whimsy. Okay, so this is a BoxyCharm Boxy Luxe unboxing. If you are unaware of what Boxy Luxe is, it's an upgraded version of the regular BoxyCharm box. It only comes out maybe 3 or 4 times a year. So the first item that we received in this box was the Daily Concepts Your Hair Wrap Towel for quick dry and smoothing experience. And the wrap towel retails for $18. These boxes are a little bit more than a regular monthly box because there is a lot more products in it. So the next item that we received was the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser, just for all skin types. Another good thing about the BoxyCharm subscription is all the items are actually full-size products. A lot of other beauty companies that are doing boxes, they generally send sample sizes or deluxe sample sizes. And the face cleanser retails at $48. We got to pick 2 items this month that we had wanted in our box, and one of the items that I had picked was the Elmis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. This stuff smells amazing. It actually smells like a rose bouquet. And the Elmis retails at $79. The next thing that we received was Too Faced 2-Night Stand Shimmering Lip Gloss in a very pretty shade. I generally don't like any of the lippies that I get from BoxyCharm because they're nudes or browns or reds and I won't wear them, but this one I'll actually be able to wear. And that retails at $21. One of the other items that I picked for my box was the Cosmetics Clean Clinical Luxurious Face Roller, which it actually says it's a body massage and a face roller. Face rollers are used to smooth your skin. It's supposed to help with aging. We got to choose the color. It has 24 massaging stones containing geranium powder to tighten and energize the skin. So that's another thing that's pretty neat that we generally don't get in our regular boxes. And that retails for $69. I also received the Ciette Confetti Highlighter. And I love highlighters, so I was pretty excited about this one. Let's open it up. Bear with me, I always have trouble getting these opening. Really nice. And that retails for $32. I also received the IGK First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. Dry shampoo is great for in-between washes, especially if you're somebody that dyes your hair and you got to stretch out the washing. So that retails at $27. Next thing is M Green Grass Fragrance Beach Air. Sorry if it's a little bit blurry. The sun seems to be rising behind my window. And this is a dry oil spray. And that retails for $36. And the last item in the Boxy Luxe is one of the things I was extremely excited for. This is Fairy Tales Storybook Cosmetics. It actually looks like a book. And this is an eyeshadow palette. Lots of pretty colors. And that retails for $55. So overall, I'm extremely happy with the Boxy Luxe this month. We got a lot of great products. And the upgraded box is really worth it. So aside from that stuff, I said I also got in some of the mystery boxes from the pop-up. So I'm just going to quickly show you what I received through the pop-up boxes, because I know some people are iffy about ordering them because they were afraid they're going to get leftover products that maybe nobody wanted or they couldn't figure out what to do with. So the first item I received from the pop-up boxes was the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. And you got your highlighter, your contours, your blush, brighteners. I received the Tardiest Pro Glow palette, which is another face palette, with highlighters, blushers, bronzers. The Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. Now these were from regular sized BoxyCharm boxes. And again, they're all full-sized products. I received the Ultra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick Monaco. And this is another really pretty color that I'll probably actually use. Or maybe not. It looks a little dark. It might not be that dark on, though. We'll have to see. We received two Mata Powder and Soft Glow brushes. Skin & Company Roma Truffle Therapy Whipped Polishing Cleansing Cream. Dirty Little Secret Lip Liner. Dominique Cosmetics. In Lemonade, which I probably won't use that one. The shade's a little bit too on the orange side. And Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence. This is a face primer. I really like the Touch and Soul. I'm happy that I got this. I actually have a couple of these that I had gotten beforehand. So that's the Boxy Charm Pop Up, and that's the BoxyLuxe. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave a comment down below. I hope you enjoyed watching my unboxing. Hit like and subscribe, and thank you. Bye-bye.